Hello my lovely people, welcome back to this house of fashion on another episode on how to use soldering iron to make a laser cut on Ankara fabric. So I'll be telling you the illustrations you need to do that. The first thing I did was I used a gum stay. I place it on the fabric, I iron it out. Then I'll now place my butt stone on it. Then I'll use stoning machine to gum it on the fabric, and this is where we have the stoning machine has already gummed it on the fabric. Then you're going to make use of a soldering iron to cut out the opening part. As you can see, you can see there is stone around that shape. Then where there is no stone, I'm trying to bring out the shape. You can see now. So after using soldering iron, then I'll now remove it this way. It will give me that round shape, but that is the shape of the bust stone, as in the design of the bust stone. You have different designs, so you can, if you are using a particular design, just bring out the area at which there is no stone there. Then it's going to give you the laser cut. So the reason why we are adding gum stay to the fabric, just to make the fabric harder, so that when you are using it, so the iron on it, it won't be that light, to be thick for it to bring out the necessary shape or hole. Like that now is a round shape, so it's like a O. You can see it's like a O on the fabric. So some might be a triangle, some might be a rectangle. It depends on the style of bust stone you use. So you can see how we are using this now. So just make sure you gum stay it first before you place your rhinestone, the board rhinestone on it, so that it will be hard. Then you cannot be, there's no need of lining the fabric. Just let the owner wash. By the time the owner is washing it, the gum stay will be going gradually, so there's no need of lining, because this particular style is an A line, so we are not lining it. Just make use of a gum stay just to bring out the shape properly, so that by the time we are using the iron on the fabric, it will not be so light and it will not be eating the main fabric. This is what I'm saying. I told you there is difference in shape. You can see this is not a round shape now, this is like a triangle. You can see this is the bust stone design that I used on the body. The first one I did was on the sleeve, so this is another one that I use on the body. So we have different kind of bust stone that you can easily use to make your own laser cut on any fabric. It can be on a Ankara fabric, and on a crepe fabric, or any other thick material. It can be on a brocade, it can be on a velvet fabric. Just make sure you're adding your stay to it. You can make use of a light stay, you can make it on hard stay. Maybe if you're making use of a light stay, make sure you double it to make it thick. But if you're making use of hard stay, just a single one that you're going to add to your fabric. To achieve this now is about 4 steps. The first step is cutting your fabric in your desired style. Then the second step is to gum stay the area at which you want to cut out. You want to use it, so the iron to cut out. Then the third step is to place the rhinestone, the bust stone that you've already bring out from the board. Place it on your fabric. Make use of machine, that stoning machine, to eat it so that it will stand properly. Then the next step is to use a soldering iron to bring out the shape. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for those people who watch me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always.